In this video, I'm going to teach you how to link tasks in Microsoft Planner. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to planner.cloud.microsoft and then access your Microsoft Planner by signing in. Do take note that you need to have an account with an existing subscription, or you need to be under an organization with a paid subscription to Microsoft in order to access it. You can also get it for iOS and Android. Proceed to click on the sign in option right there in order to sign in, and from in there just input your email and password in order to sign into your Microsoft account. Now here is my actual plan. In order to link tasks in your Microsoft Planner, they doesn't have a direct dependency linking feature yet like Microsoft Project. So what we can do is we can use the copy and paste link method. So we have in here this task. You can open a particular task that you want. You can click on the three dots as well and copy link to task. Once you have copied that, the next thing you need to do is to open the task that has a dependency and you want to link it with. For example, let's choose in here this in progress option. So from in there, you should be able to see this. So what we can do is we just need to open the details tab and find the section for notes or checklists. So in here, we can either use notes or checklists in order to link that. For this case, let's add checklist. And then onto the checklist option, let's add an item. Click on the Control B on your keyboard. It will paste the task link right here. As you can see, it's been added, but as you have noticed, it's actually not clickable. So what you can do is you can actually add in here an attachment, a link to URL, add the link right here and name this the actual task name that you want. So for example, let's input task 1 and click on add. It will be added, and on the checklist, input right here task 1. Now from in there, just save this progress that you have made. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.